We have our main ingredients, which is spinach. We have about a pound of spinach, which is chopped into smaller pieces. This is baby spinach. Make sure that the spinach is dry. So if you've washed it before, make sure you go through the salad spinner so it doesn't have water. We have one leek chopped, 4 eggs, and then we have one piece of feta cheese. We use this from Costco. It's called feta dodoni. It's Greek, and there's several pieces inside, and we use one. And I'm gonna crumble this. And we also have about half a pound of phyllo dough. We use this one, we can find in Standex. And there's 2 of those inside, we use one. And also we need olive oil. Okay, so now we also need some olive oil. We need about half a cup to put in the mixture. And then we need some to put brushing the phyllo in the layers as we are, preparing the pita. I don't know exactly how much, it depends, and then you can add more if you need. And then, yeah, so I will put the olive oil inside. We'll put the leek. Feta cheese. And then the eggs. And then just spread it. And then you can mix. Until everything is mixed well and the eggs are everywhere. So everything has to be distributed evenly. Because the feta is salty, I did not add any salt. But you can, after you make it first time, you can see if you want more salt. You can add a little bit. Okay, so this is ready. So now I'm going to take a pan, which is, this particular one is 11 by 15 inches. And then I will put some olive oil so the phyllo doesn't get stuck on the sides and on the bottom. Then I will take the phyllo and I will put about 4 to 5 sheets at the bottom. And also you can brush a little bit olive oil in its phyllo. Sometimes it gets stuck. not so good. Sometimes the filo breaks, but that's okay. You can put different pieces and cover it. And a little bit more. If there's enough oil, you don't have to put in every filo. So now I'm going to start putting the mixture. Put another filo. A little bit olive oil. We can also preheat the oven at 385 Fahrenheit. 385 Fahrenheit. It's hard to separate. Okay. If it breaks, you can take some pieces and cover it. So now at the end you can put 4 or 5 filos. Again, the filo, this one broke a little bit, so you can just put pieces, but you can leave a few good ones at the end, for the end. And the last filo. And the last step is using a sharp knife. You should cut the pieces all the way through. Before you bake it. So it's ready. And we're now ready to put it in the oven for about half an hour. So I used convection bake, and when I set the temperature at 385, it lowers it to 360, so that's fine.
How long has it been?
Oh, it's been about half an hour, and the pita is ready. It should be brown on the top, so I'm just going to remove it. And as soon as you can, you should remove it from the pan, because if we leave it in the pan, it's going to get soggy. So it's good to remove it and put it somewhere in a different tray. So this is the piece. So I'm going to start putting them all in a tray. Okay.